So today my lot are having for breakfast some Freedom parrot food made by Paul, who is Lord of the Wings. So I'm going to see what my lot think of it, and it has over 51 ingredients in, so yeah, I'm sure they're going to love it. Let's give it to them. So I've just opened it, and this is what you see as soon as you open it, and it smells lovely. So as you see, there's all loads of looks like fruit there, and there's some cabbage and peas and all different things in there. So yeah, let's get on with it. So Pudding is loving it. She's loving the food. Is it yummy, Pudding? Yum yum. Mittu is giving it a try. And Loki just can't wait. He wants to have the whole packet. Hey Loki, is that what you want? The whole packet? Yeah? Yeah, that's my finger, silly. Rio's loving the food. Is it nice, Rio? Barney's having a go at it. And here comes my little piggy Albert to give it a try. You're going to give it a try, Albert? Hello, Rio. Hello, Rio. There's Albert. Nora's loving the food as well. Is that nice, Nora? Is it yummy? Albert's at this bowl now. Barney. So this is the Freedom parrot food we have just tried, and as you can see, all of my parrots loved it. Pudding loved everything of it, couldn't get enough of it. Loki loved it as well. Mittu loved all of it. So did Albert, and of course so did Rio. They loved everything about it. Nora picked all the peas out because she just loves peas, and Humphrey loved the rose hips, so Humphrey picked all the rose hips out of it. And Barney and Lola loved everything about it as well, and Bonnie picked out the banana bits. So yeah, there was a bit for everybody, and they loved it, and I certainly will be buying it again. Thank you.